This Bali Maharaja, without this, how offered everything, he would. How then he deserves to suffer for us. Bhagavatam Bhagavatam 9:6 is stated. Shwan Halam Toyam Yome Bhaktyahaya Shuti Ahumukupahikam Krishna Pradhanam. The Supreme Personality of God is so kind that if an unsophisticated person gives devotion without duplicity, always at the lowest feet of the Lord, evil flower, evil water, fruit, or a leaf, the Lord accepts him. Then the devotees belong to pure spiritual world. Brahma drew the Lord's attention to this subject and requested that he release Bali Maharaj who was suffering and bound for the own struggle, who had already given everything, including the three worlds that he possessed.
She, there are fan sound you reduce. ज्ञानतिमिरन्दस्य ज्ञानञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुर्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। नमो विष्णुपादाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदान्तस्वामिनिति नमामिने। नमस्ते सारस्वते देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेषाय शून्यवादी पाश्चात्यदेशतः हरिणे। जयो श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासरि गौर भक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। Okay. On the shloka number? Welcome. Hare Krishna, Sharat.
Hare Krishna.
Okay, I hope we are in the middle of Bhagavatam. We have a discussion from Bhagavatam today, from Bali Maharaj and Vaman Deva pastime.
Okay, sir.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Text 23. This is chapter 8, canto 8, 22nd. Yadapadayo asatadhi shalilam pradaya Ruvan purai api vidhaya satim saparyam api uttamam gatim asau bhajate trilokim dashwan aviklava manaha katham artim rechet. By offering even water, newly grown grass, or flower buds at your lotus feet, those who maintain no duplicity can achieve the most exalted position within the spiritual world. This Bali Maharaj, without duplicity, has now offered everything in the three words. How can he deserve to suffer? How then can he deserve to suffer from arrest? So this is very intriguing question by. You're able to hear me, I hope. So this is a very intriguing question by Brahma. Because Bali Maharaj offers to the Lord 2 steps of land. Our Lord has taken 3 steps of land, and in 2 steps, Lord has taken everything. And now this much is over, and now the next, what is happening is that the Lord is doing something more. He is still angry at it. Now he should not be angry, very angry at it. And Brahma is very surprised. Yesterday we read the wife of Bali Maharaj was extremely intelligent. She came forward and they said, my husband had made a mistake. He thought the world belongs to him. So that was a mistake of my husband. And he thought his body belongs to him. Because first two steps he offered, the whole world was taken. Then when the Lord asked him where is the place for the third step, he said, we can place the third step on me. Basically, you can take my life. I offer my life also. But she says he is a fool because the world never belonged to him, neither even this body belonged to him. Everything belongs to Krishna. Who is it he to give? What you can say, I give to the Lord. When it belongs to somebody, you have no right to say, I give you. It's not yours. It's not yours. When you say, I give you, how can you say, I give you? So now the question comes of Brahma comes in, and Brahma also puts an appeal. He says, my Lord, I know that if somebody gives a leaf, a water, you are so satisfied, you give him a place in the spiritual world. In fact, when Advaita Acharya wanted to bring Lord Chaitanya down to this world, that's what he remembered. Advaita Acharya was offering tulsi and water to the Lord, and he remembered a shloka which says that those who offer to the Lord tulsi and water, the Lord gives himself to that person. Just by that. Tulsi leaves and water, if you offer to the Lord, Lord is so satisfied, he offers himself to that person. So you have to follow that. You said that. But here Bali Maharaj has given everything and you are angry at him. And you have tied him with the ropes of Varuna and you are chastising him in public. So I can't understand this, my Lord. Correct? This is a very Brahma's intriguing, and it's actually true. But here Krishna was behaving little differently. And why he was behaving differently? Because Krishna was showing something known as superficial anger. And being a great devotee, he had not taken anything from the Lord in a negative way. My Lord accepted. And rather he is feeling ashamed that he is not able to satisfy the Lord. This is the devotee. We were meditating like this yesterday, that the first thing, why did Lord Vamanadeva still be angry even after he has fulfilled his mission? His mission was to give the world to the Devatas, he has done it. Why is he still angry and chastising in public? That also is so exalted devotee, without any hesitation offered the whole world, without any duplicity, with love, with affection, with respect, charity in the mode of goodness. Isn't it? With the right place, right time, to the right person. That is charity. This is not even goodness, this is higher, this is spiritual, because you are offering to the Lord. It's not in goodness, this is transcendental. But still. So why is it that he has to be angry? The reason was that sometimes by superficial anger, you can crush somebody's ego. You think you have no brain? Sometimes we tell like that. So Lord is perfect in his behavior. Adbhuta karmana is always a wonderful actor. It may look strange. It is said Vaishnava Kriya Mudra is difficult to understand. Not a person like us, great acharyas, who are totally transcendent to this world. Very difficult to understand their activities. The same way it is very difficult to understand the activity of Vamanadeva. Why is he angry? He is angry for a reason. Because Bali Maharaj had some kind of a pride. Trilokeshwara. Even Ravana used to keep shouting this, I am Trilokeshwara. Like that. So he wanted to just remove that pride. Said, okay, I take away everything. Now, and then he scolds him in public. And then what happens? By that he becomes purified. Now his consciousness, and not only that, Krishna proves to the world, look, here is my devotee. There's another parallel thing that Krishna does. Sometimes a devotee like Prahlad Maharaj went through so much trouble, but still he was serving Krishna. So what is Krishna doing? Look, here is my devotee. Shri Radha Govinda ki. And do the devotee feel pain? No, devotee is in ecstasy. He is transcendental. Everything has been, that is for us. Oh, he has been dispossessed, he is humiliated. Devotee has nothing to do with all that. What is the humiliation? You are a thief. What is it? That's to the body. No, I'm not the body. That's how a devotee should be. In Bhagavad Gita, when the symptoms are asked again and again, 2 times in the book, the symptoms of a liberated person. And Krishna always says he is not elated when praised and he is not depressed when insulted. So he showed an example. Now he has to show example, not simply talking. We are all simply talking. Here is an example. He is not disturbed when he is insulted. It's very peaceful, very peaceful. He's being insulted. All the possessions have been taken away. We become so sorry. What do you say? When sometimes, always in life, sometimes money is short, we cannot sleep also. We become very tension. What to do? It's like a biting thing. Duddilla, lot of the Kannada. It's very, very, it's biting. And here he has been made bankrupt. And he's totally peaceful. It shows he is transcendental. So Krishna is actually declaring, look, there is many ways. The one more famous shloka of Bhagavad Gita, Brahma Bhuta Prasannatma na shochati na kanshati samha sarveshu bhuteshu na mad bhakti labate param. Na shochati na kanshati. This is there, one of the places. There is many places the description of a self-realized soul. And one of the symptoms of self-realized soul is he is not elated, and when the 3 modes of material nature are discussed in the Bhagavad Gita, then immediately Arjuna asks what are the symptoms. So Krishna explains the person is totally free from being affected by honor, dishonor, or some wealth and being taken away with the wealth. This is an 18th chapter, Brahma Bhuta Prasannatma na shochati na kantashi samha sarveshu bhuteshu mad bhakti labate param. So nicely these things are described in the Bhagavad Gita. So sometimes devotees put in a testing situation like Prahlad Maharaj was put. Not, was it the Papa Karma of Prahlad Maharaj? No. Pandavas suffered so much. Was it the Papa Karma of Pandavas? No. There is no Papa Karma. They are transcendent. They are in ecstasy. They don't mind. Okay, Krishna, you want to keep it. Prabhupada says Yudhishthira Maharaj once did not complain to Krishna. Krishna, what is all this? Now we are in so much difficulty. What kind of devotee? So, Radha Prabhupada also, when he was totally dispossessed of everything, he took it as the mercy of Krishna. So when Krishna, when he is specially merciful to a devotee, takes away everything from him. Okay, so in that same spirit we can take. Bali Maharaj also took it, was in ecstasy. He was in ecstasy offering everything to the Lord, and the Lord was in ecstasy enjoying all love from his devotee. Correct? Just like you go somebody, you like somebody, and he's giving you with love, please eat one more. You feel so much affection, you feel so happy. Correct? So, and then you say, no, I'll not eat, and still you should have. If it is spoken with affection, it feels so nice. Correct? That's what we get in the devotee community. An atmosphere so homely, lovingly devotees serve. So that is what struck me first time when I saw devotees. So same way, there is an ecstasy. He's enjoying the offering, he's enjoying offering. One is offering, one is taking the offering. Both are in love and enjoying. But the people cannot understand because they are on material platform. Sometimes people say Krishna is partial to devotees. How is he partial? Where is partiality here? Materially speaking, Krishna has favored Indra. You say he's partial to devotees. Prabhupada says in the purport, the partiality is on a spiritual platform. Krishna is partial. He is giving to Bali Maharaj now more than Indra. But materially, at this instance, you cannot see what kind of is it. Doesn't look partial. This question was asked many times to Krishna. Why you're partial? Even Yudhishthira Maharaj asked this question to Narada. Why is Krishna partial? The whole 7th canto starts from that point. This question is many times addressed. Why is the Lord partial? He's never partial. He is partial on a spiritual plane. Material plane, he has dispossessed him and insulted him. What kind of, partiality? Oh. There is the Bhagavad Gita shloka, no? Samoham sarva bhuteshu nama dveshu sena priya yetu bhajanti tumam bhaktya mahiteshu chapi aham. Who offer service to me, I am equal to everybody, but I am partial to people who offer service to me. Samoham sarva bhuteshu nama dveshu sena priya. There is nobody enemy of me, there is nobody special friend of me. But yetu bhajanti tumam bhaktya, who comes with devotion to me, I am in him and he is in me. So Prabhupada said Krishna is declaring this partiality there. Krishna is declaring a partiality there, but this partiality is on a spiritual dimension. It's on the transcendental plane. Krishna has bestowed more and more love more and more spiritual realizations to Bali Maharaj. That is partiality. Correct? And that partiality materialists cannot understand. More mercy he can. That they cannot understand. But that you should ask. So Bali Maharaj has offered, he is in ecstasy, Vamanadeva is in ecstasy, and they are actually in great happiness. Superficially, externally showing anger. Bali Maharaj knows that. Therefore, he is not upset. He is not upset. Radha even says, my lord, sometimes parents also chastise the children, but not like this. Don't parent us. Take the child outside the house, take him time with the ropes and insult him in public. They said, no, parents also don't do like this. But still, I think yes, I take it as a mercy. Mercy means still you are being kind to me. So this is what is being developed here. He is being very, very kind. And now you know what is going to happen. Vamadeva will become his doorkeeper. Give him a place in Sutala more beautiful than Indraloka, which he was having, and become his doorkeeper. And there are many pastimes then of Vamadeva as a doorkeeper of Bali Maharaj. Srila Prabhupada ki. Srimad Bhagavatam. Hare Krishna.